everyone, it's 1st October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have final Bihar voter rolls out, 6% dip since June. In most detention, citizenship no factor. Very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Prime Minister hails Trump's Gaza peace plan, asks all concerned to support effort. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have now a security threat. Wang Kung was government's expert for all seasons. Very important for internal security as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Bareilly clashes, clerics aid, shot at encounter, demolition drive on. Very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have flights diverted, traffic snarls in many parts of rain lashes city. Very important for environment as well as disaster management perspective. Moving forward, we have drainage plan flags infra projects, blocking natural water flow. Very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have Israeli envoy hails Prime Minister for Gaza peace plan, supports flags, India role in future. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for the examination. In the first editorial, we have a plan built on sand. Even if all sides profess support for Trump's Gaza peace proposal. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have prevent the atrocity. The latest NCRB data frames an urgent challenge for governance. Violence against STs cannot be allowed to continue or rise. Very important for society as well as governance and polity perspective. Moving forward, we have CFOS challenge. Very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have iRobotaxi. Very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have census must count subcast in. Very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have migrant is the fall guy. In the UK, immigration has become a lightning rod for all kinds of grievances. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Amazon rainforest getting bigger. Very important for environment perspective. Then we have Trump Gaza plan peace deal. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have India to extend its railway grid to Bhutan. Very important for infrastructure as well as international relations perspective. Then we have India needs 12% plus GDP growth to solve job problem, address underemployment. Very important for economy as well as employment perspective. Then we have RBI changes loan rule. Very important for economy perspective. Then we have fiscal deficit at 38%. Very important for economy perspective again. Then lastly, we have this world page. Hamas weighs response to Gaza peace proposal. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have suicide blast kills 10 in Balochistan. Again, important for international relations perspective. Then we have Russia hits Ukraine's Dnipro city in rare daytime drone attack. Very important for international relations perspective. And last we have 3,000 Romans fled after volcano buried Pompeii, but some moved back in. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.